Welcome to Girly Clips, where we post daily videos on all things fashion and beauty. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and make sure you never miss an upload. In this video, we'll be showing you how to do 5 easy holiday hairstyles. This first hairstyle is a perfect effortless pony look. It's great for greasy hair because you can do a slick back and curl your ends. It's really so cute and quick. The red satin scrunchie makes it a bit more festive. This look is perfect for a more formal holiday party. You just slick your hair back into a messy bun and curl the ends to add a lot of texture and dimension. Could you imagine this hairstyle with a gorgeous winter dress? If you want to look chic and classy, this is your look. The half-up style looks good with most necklines and keeps your hair out of your face. A bow is the perfect finishing touch, and you can even match it to your outfit. Look for is some cute Dutch braids. These are really great for a night out because they hold up well and don't require you to spend a long time curling your hair. Dutch braiding is actually pretty simple. Just take your time and make sure to add more hair each time you flip a strand. I would definitely recommend incorporating braids into your winter hairstyle rotation. Lastly is another half-up style. For this voluminous look, backcomb your hair and clip the top half of it up. This one is wearable in both casual and formal settings. Just switch your clip for something dressier and it becomes a fancy updo. So cute. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.